The old song, the old song, the good old song for me.
More often than not, chainsaw carvers use more than one chainsaw in a carving at any given time. I mean, sometimes 3 or more, and they can clutter your workspace real quick. So I figured it was time for me to make a chainsaw stand similar to these, but with a twist. I mean, when you think about it, we're like wood barbers. Little off the top, trim here, trim there, but instead of scissors and clippers, we use chainsaws and power tools. So I thought a barber pole would make a cool chainsaw stand. A vintage one, like the type you'd see on a Saturday evening post cover. Especially since the sawmill where I carve has become like a gathering place for friends and neighbors, shooting the shit and trading stories, like in the Andy Griffith Show type of barbershop. So this Sunday Fun Day, I made my own barber pole inspired chainsaw stand. Check it out.
Jefferson Law. Sing that barber shop call. That's the way I want to hear. That fits in the harmony. Yes, me stand off over here with me. Play that frame. Yes, please me again. Cause Mr. when you start that minor part, I see your finger slipping and a gripping at my heart. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
Bright was the night,
Bright was the night,
moon shining bright,
moon shining bright.
was
There I met my sweetheart till the sun shines, Nellie, and the clouds go drifting by. We will be happy, Nellie, don't you sigh. Over land and sea, yellow moonbeam on the wall. Walk with the gaiety, so take me back to Oklahoma, where the Indian is bed. S-P-E-B, S-Q-S-A. If I could live those days again, oh, what I wouldn't give. The Society for the Preservation and Encouragement of Barbershop Quartet Singing in America, long may